Hey there, students. Mrs. Mills here. I am so excited to be recording this video because that means we are almost done with our semester. We will be finishing up our course next week, and so I'm really looking forward to that, as probably are you. It's been a wonderful semester together. In our class, we've had an excellent group of students. Thank you so much for working so hard in this course and learning so much as we've journeyed together this semester. I personally believe I've been an online student before, and I believe that online courses are what we make them. And you students have made this one worthwhile this semester, so thank you so much for that. This week we are wrapping up Unit 8, and please be sure to get all of your Unit 8 assignments in by Sunday night. I think that cutoff is at 11 o'clock, so be sure to get it in by then. Also, I wanted to show you this calendar. Let me see if I can get my face off here. Okay, so here's a calendar here showing what is coming up, and I already included this in an update, so this might be review for some of you. But I wanted to point out that all of our Unit 8 assignments are due on Sunday. Also, all late, missing, or redo assignments are also due that day. So if you have anything that you'd still like to be turned in, you need to get on the ball this weekend and get those taken care of. And then on Wednesday, the 18th, all our extra credit is due. And so if there was any extra credit that you wanted to complete, you can go ahead and turn those in before the 18th. And in order to see what extra credit is available, you'll have to look in the updates. I included that in one of the updates as well as in an email home to you guys. And then after the 18th is when I will go ahead and add the extra credit points to your grades. So towards the end of the week, you're going to want to be checking back with your grades to see how that affects your grade if you did extra credit. And then Friday the 20th, this is a super duper important date to remember. You must complete the final exam by that day. We cannot accept any final exams after that day unless you have an extension approved. If you do need an extension and you qualify for an extension, that request is also due Friday the 20th. But I'd suggest getting that in sooner. Obviously, the 25th is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you guys. And then the 27th is when I will have final grades posted for sure. It'll probably be before that, but um, uh, yeah, you can just watch for that by the 27th. So that's kind of a heads up of what's coming up. And as we finish up the course, I really would love if you could take a moment to reflect on the things that we've learned in this course. So, for instance, here's a couple questions I really would like you to consider. How balanced is your health triangle? What are you doing to improve your physical health, mental health, social health, and spiritual health? And then also, how has this course affected your decision-making processes? What commitments have you made to protect your health now and in the future? Who, other than yourself, might your good health choices impact now and in the future? And I wanted to include this little image here with this quote that says, "The future starts today, not tomorrow." And in regards to health, that is absolutely true. And so I wanted you to be thinking a little bit more about that, how this course is maybe impacting you now, but how it could impact you in the future, as well as others around you. As we wrap up the course, please let me know how I can help. I am rooting you guys on, and I'm praying and hoping for your health and success. So please let me know how I can help.